So here's our 50-yard shotgun. Sarah, how's your shoulder?
Sore. This is
12 gauge.
Mine.
She destroyed his targets. We both destroyed them. Shattered the wood up top. So yeah, we did some damage. You shot 14?
14.
I shot probably about 20, maybe,
Yeah.
something like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, we did some damage to it. Yeah.
Blew right through that thing. Shit.
Oh, my baby. So 50 yards, shotgun, 12 gauge, Winchester SX4 semi-automatic, and a 870 Remington tactical.
And we need some ice packs.
It needs some ice packs, so we're not going to have time to do our handgun. So we did well on the ARs and did well on the 22 long rifle and did well on the shotguns. I'm going to fire out probably 7 more rounds before we leave. Clean up this little bit of ammo we have left for the shotgun, and then go home, shower, go see some family. Thanks for watching. Ciao.